On top inside Edo today, Edo State government don't open another isolation center for inside Stella Obasanjo Hospital. Until the fight against coronavirus disease for Edo State government don't open another isolation center for inside Stella Obasanjo Hospital for Benin City. Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, talk am as they commission the center, say Edo State government build the center to increase isolation space, as be say they don't first get one isolation center for inside the hospital.
This facility is one of those facilities that the state government have contracted for expansion in our isolation center in Stella Obasanjo. You're all aware that before now, even before the coronavirus was discovered, we had an isolation center behind this structure. It was meant for disease control, specially built for Lassa fever. And we have similar structure that were enhanced at Ira Specialist Hospital through facility donation, and a structure like that too in Auchi General Hospital. At the advent of the coronavirus, we decided to expand to have more bed facility. And we needed it constructed fast because of the urgency. And we consulted Peculiar, and we need you to build this thing no more than 2 weeks. We need something urgent. And he said he can even do it in 12 days. And on the 12th day, this building was ready.
Shaibu come throw better salutes give the health workers them for their ogbonge work. He salutes them well as be saying that them the front they fight the disease come on for Edo State.
And these are special health workers as far as we are concerned, coronavirus ambassadors. Most of them are not going home. They go to the hotel and they stay away from home because of the special duties that they are doing. And it's not easy, but by the grace of God, the state government, in terms of protective kits, we have done our best, and we're also praying for you.
Catholic Archdiocese say follow go the center go pray put so that the health workers them life go they safe even as they treat people who go get the disease and as they want enter the isolation center.
Thank you especially for our health workers who have decided to partake in this effort to put an end to the scourge of coronavirus in our state. Father, human beings are limited in knowledge, but you have all the knowledge. We'll ask you to bless them, to sustain them.
Una go remember say Edo State government used 12 days to build this isolation center so that Edo people will get the Yamayama disease for body go begin go there. And then equip the center with world-class equipment like bed, television, air condition and some other equipment to go make the isolation center they were for people who won't use them.
I'll let Edo people know that I haven't completed this structure. The governor immediately asked that it be furnished. I'm also happy to tell you that this facility is furnished with modern beds and modern ventilators and other medical equipment. And so this facility is ready to function, and the medical personnel are also being trained by the state government that will handle this facility. I cut this tape and open this center to the glory of God, and all those that will be brought here by the grace of God will not lose their lives, and they will be treated, and by the grace of God they will be well, and they will be reunited to their family.
Now so we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say Edo State government don't open another isolation center for Benin City. Make una sabi say na T Live Media and I bring this ogbonge informate come give una.